Hello there, I'm Valerie and this is Sadie, my 11-year-old adventure cat, and we have been living and traveling for the past 2 years in this van. We are currently heading north for the winter, but making some stops along the way. In today's adventure, we explore the beautiful,
I've never walked through a tree before.
magnificent
I'm about to walk through a rainbow.
Yosemite National Park.
We made it to Yosemite. I didn't know anything about Yosemite other than it was a national park. And now that I'm in here, I see how diverse it is. There is a Sequoia Grove. Last year, I went to Sequoia National Park because I wanted to see the big trees, right? And it turned out to be kind of a nightmare navigating around there, moving my giant vehicle around those mountains, and it was also very crowded, lots of traffic. It was hard to turn around, so I just got out of there. I didn't enjoy it. Now that I know that there's a Sequoia Grove here and all I have to do is hike 2 miles to get there, I'm so happy. I'm in the parking lot for the Grove and it is very full, but I got lucky and found a spot and I'm getting ready to go hike. It's just a 2-mile hike in. Let's go. Walked through a tree before. It was so cool inside, like a cave. I wish I could spend more time with it, but there's people all around trying to take pictures. It's alright. For scale, you can see a man at the bottom, and then the top, is way up there. Hopefully that picks up on the camera. Do you see it? I've never been this close to a deer before. She's got her eye on me. That big doe eye. Your head looks like a kangaroo. So pretty. She keeps looking at me. Enjoy your lunch, lovely lady. I'll leave you alone. Bye. I can't believe she's so chill. I guess she's used to humans. Oh, it's amazing. This park is amazing. It takes a while to get all the way up into it. It's like 25 miles to get to the center from the entrance, but God, it's so beautiful. Huge mountains, and there was a waterfall coming through it, like a massive waterfall. I didn't catch it on film because there was nowhere to pull off, but I saw it with my eyes. And there's this massive rock up here. So beautiful. I'm gonna try to do a waterfall hike. It's almost 5, so we're gonna be losing daylight soon, but I'm gonna try. I wanna make the most of my time here. I'm supposed to be in Tahoe Forest, which is Northern California, by 11 in the morning.
They don't have mountains like this in Georgia. Massive.
About to walk through a rainbow. I walked through a tree, now I'm gonna walk through a rainbow.
I didn't film too much of the waterfall because my battery was dying. Story of my life. But now we've made it to Tahoe National Forest for Descend on La Sierra. It's a camping gathering, mostly vans, put on by Descend on Bend. We have officially descended on La Sierra. It's nice and chilly up here. I know we've been sweating our faces off in Southern California. Now we're in Northern California and it's way up here in the mountains. We're ready to have some fun all weekend. But I'm probably not gonna vlog the gathering. I'll probably just post on Instagram. I'll see you when I see you.